wait. Today we are going to learn English language with a unique way. What is that? That is actually apiculture. What happens actually, I was thinking that what if we make videos something knowledgeable so that we could do both things. We can learn English language simultaneously. We can increase our knowledge. So that is why I thought we should make videos something knowledgeable, and we can learn many more vocabularies in this video as well. So just keep watching this video until the end, and we will be learning so many things together. So just let's get started. So first of all, what is apiculture? एपिकल्चर को हिंदी में हम मधुमक्खी पालन कहते हैं. आई थिंक many of you are aware about it. So it is called apiculture. Okay, so what kind of honeybees are there to make this honey? So there are three types of honeybee. Okay, first is called male, second is called female, third one is called transgender. Okay, so males are minorities as comparison to the transgenders. Transgenders को हम worker भी कहते हैं, yeah, because they work. Okay, so males are minorities as comparison to the transgender, and female is the one of the most member in this beehive. अब सुनिए नया वर्ड. छत्ते को, जो मधुमक्खी का छत्ता होता है, उसको इंग्लिश में हम beehive कहते हैं, beehive. Okay, so she is one of the most member in this beehive. Okay, she orders everyone to do this work, to do that work. Okay, so that's why she is also like queen. Okay, so queen is a queen. Okay, and third one is called transgenders. Okay, transgenders are not transgenders. Transgenders are made. Transgenders पैदाइशी नहीं होते हैं, उनको बनाया जाता है. ओके, कैसे बनाया जाता है? लेट्स कम ऑन द टॉपिक. What happens actually when the honeybee lays the egg? Now we got new word, lays the egg. In Hindi language we call बत्तख अंडा देती है. So the duck lays the egg, मुर्गी अंडा देती है. The hen lays the egg. Okay, that is called lays the egg. So when honeybee lays the egg, so after some time, when the chicks, new word, when the chicks hatch the egg, जब बच्चे अंडे से बाहर निकलते हैं, when chicks hatch the egg, जब बच्चे अंडे से बाहर निकलते हैं, then what happens actually after just some time, what does it do? जो हनी बी होती है वो क्या करती है? You know what, this queen releases one acid that is called alpha ketogluteric acid. Yeah, it releases. Okay, so after just some time, after hatching the egg, what happens? It just spreads all around in the beehive. It spreads the that acid, alpha ketogluteric acid. Okay, it just spreads all around in the beehive. छत्ते में सब फैला देती है इधर उधर the acid. Okay, and then what happens? Whoever comes in the contact of the alpha ketogluteric acid, if it is a male, so I mean it is not harmful for male. Okay, but if it is a female, so female becomes a transgender. Female will convert into a transgenders. Okay, so it is very harmful for queen, another females. Okay, because after some time they will become queen. Okay, so that is why. So what happens actually, sometimes somehow any of them like luckily they just, someone of them like they could save herself. So after just some time, after growing up, when she becomes a new queen, then she makes a new beehive. She prepares a new beehive. Okay, just next to first one. Yeah, and then when she goes from there, then after her some of the male go, Okay, some of the male beehive, sorry, some of the male honeybee go after her, and some of the transgenders also go after her. Okay, then they prepare another beehive. Okay, and आपने भी देखा होगा कभी कभी एक ही शाखा पर दो तीन लाइक beehive छत्ते लगे होते हैं. Okay, so that is why it happens. Now what actually how can we earn money by this apiculture? If the person wants to store it on a big scale so that he could earn money, so what he will have to do, listen to me carefully. What happens actually, the person who wants to store it, what does he do? First of all, he takes some honeybees, and he knows who is queen and who is like male and who is female. Okay, then after just laying the egg, when honeybee lays the egg, then he just keeps the honeybee into the box. जैसे ही मधुमक्खी अंडे देती है, और आप उसके थोड़े समय के बाद जो व्यक्ति होता है उसको डिब्बे में बंद कर लेता है. After some time he just keep it into the box, and he just closes it. Okay, so that he could not release the acid, okay, all around there, so that they could not become a transgenders. Okay, that is why it just he just closes it. Okay, and then after some time they all will become new queen. When they will become new queen, then they will make another honeybee and beehives. So because of this thing, through this thing, we can earn a lot of money because of by this apiculture. Okay, and the most important thing I would like to say that, and that is with the help of moam, with the help of wax, it honeybees make the it's like beehive. And yeah, after some time they just they go to the flower, and they just they take something from there, and they just go to just make the honey. So it was the process of making honey. So I hope, I mean, this video will be helpful and very knowledgeable for you, and I hope that you have learned so many things from here. So I think so it is enough for today. Thank you for watching.